So, Team Zimbabwe, today I'm sad because yesterday we lost a cadre. We lost a champion in Glenview. What happened is that these comrades, these champions, had a rally in Glenview, but they were ambushed, they were tagged by ZANU PF thugs. So here, ZimLife says the CCC has named its slain Glenview South activist as Tinashe Chitsunge. He was stoned to death by suspected ZANU thugs. The thugs ambushed a group of our youths when they were heading to a rally in Glenview 7. That is according to CCC spokesperson Advocate Fadzai Mahere. Unfortunately, because of network connection, I cannot open the picture here of Tinashe Chitsunge, but it said that we lost a life simply because of a one-day event, simply because of an election, simply because of a contest which must be of ideas, not of power, not of hatred, not of anything else. A contest of who can lead Zimbabwe better. A contest of who does have the best ideas. A contest of who is going to develop and fix Zimbabwe for everyone else. Why? It's because there are people who are corrupt. It's because there are people who have taken Zimbabwe to be their own thing, who have taken Zimbabwe to their own bedrooms. People who believe that they're entitled to lead Zimbabwe up until they die, who believe that their children must inherit Zimbabwe. These are the people who caused all this mess. They'll do anything and everything to win these elections by hook or crook. They'll do everything to retain power, but they disregard time as a factor in this election. They disregard destiny as a factor in this election. They have murdered, they have killed, they have done all sorts of bad things. They are corrupt, they are looters. The resources of this country are failing to benefit everybody. They have moved away from the liberation struggle values and principles. As young Zimbabweans, we are saying, we know why Zimbabwe had the liberation struggle. We cannot watch these older dollars lead us astray. We cannot watch Zimbabwe failing to benefit from the gains of the liberation struggle. We cannot watch a few people reverse the gains of the liberation struggle. They have resorted to dirty tactics, to intimidation, to murder, to violence. Why? It's because they are afraid of a free, fair, credible contest. They have resorted to lawfare because they are afraid to be removed by the people. They know that the power rests with the people. The reason why they cannot bank elections is because they know that the power lies with the people and the people can decide to remove them. We have to remove them at all costs. 23 August is coming. We have to avenge the death of our comrades. We lost comrades, More Blessing Ali. We lost comrades in Gweru. We have lost so many comrades because of the need for change, because of the struggle. Mboneni Ncube was killed. Now we have lost Tinashe in Glenview. Job Sikala is languishing in prison for demanding justice for our comrade, More Blessing Ali. In 2018, innocent people who were not participating in any politics were shot and killed in Harare. There is no accountability. There's no justice. Things like this continue to happen in Zimbabwe. As if it's not enough, they continue to turn a blind eye on these very important issues. They will continue to arrest innocent people. They will continue to disregard what the law says. But God will vindicate us. God shall vindicate us. As the people of Zimbabwe, let's go in our numbers and vote. Let's encourage our relatives in the rural areas to go, to stand up and vote. Hakuna munhu asina hama iri kumusha. Taurai nehama dzenyu. 23 August tiende tinobudisa vadzvanyiriri.